This year, brands have focused on making shoes lighter, more comfortable, and better for all types of runners. Whether you need extra cushioning for long runs or a speedy design for races, there's a perfect pair for you. The latest models also feature improved grip and breathable materials to keep your feet cool and secure. No matter your running style, these top picks will help you run faster, longer, and more comfortably. We listed the top 5 best running shoes in 2025. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Brooks Ghost 16 Neutral Running Shoe. If you're looking for a running shoe that feels like a dream, the Brooks Ghost 16 is the perfect match. With nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning, every step feels soft yet responsive, reducing impact on long runs. The 3D Fit print upper adapts to your foot for a snug and comfortable fit, ensuring stability without feeling too tight. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, this shoe delivers a smooth, effortless ride on any surface. Number 4. ASICS Gel Kayano 31 Running Shoes. As someone who values support and stability, I can confidently say the ASICS Gel Kayano 31 is a game-changer. Featuring gel cushioning and flight foam technology, it provides unmatched shock absorption, making every stride feel light and effortless. The shoe is designed especially for overpronators, offering excellent arch support while keeping your foot secure. If you need a reliable shoe for daily training or long-distance runs, this is the one to trust. Number 3. Nike Pegasus 41 Running Shoes. Versatile, stylish, and performance-driven, the Nike Pegasus 41 does it all. With Zoom Air technology, this shoe gives you an ultra-responsive feel, making each step springy and energetic. The breathable mesh upper keeps your feet cool, whether you're sprinting on the track or running in the heat. Whether you're a casual jogger or training for a marathon, the Pegasus 41 is a must-have in your running collection. Number 2. New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4 Running Shoes. If speed and agility are what you're after, the New Balance FuelCell Rebel V4 won't disappoint. Designed with a fuel cell midsole, it offers a propulsive feel that helps you push forward with ease. The shoe's lightweight design and breathable mesh construction make it feel almost weightless on your feet, reducing fatigue even on long runs. Whether you're hitting the gym, running on the road, or doing interval training, this shoe keeps you moving effortlessly. Number 1. ASICS NovaBlast 4 Running Shoe. Ever felt like you're bouncing off the ground while running? That's exactly what you get with the ASICS NovaBlast 4. Thanks to Flight Foam Blast technology, this shoe provides incredible energy return, making every step feel light and bouncy. It's perfect for runners who love an extra spring in their stride. The breathable upper ensures your feet stay cool and fresh, no matter how intense your workout gets. If you want to feel fast, comfortable, and energized, this is the shoe for you. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.